Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channels. Myself Pramod Gharat from NM Joshi Vidya Bhavan Goregaon. Hearty welcome you in this session English workshop live English. Now look at the picture. What do you see in the pictures? Okay, you see packs in the pictures. Means there are different types of packs. Means here is tablets, capsules, then medicines. These are the packs. Now next, packets. You are seeing in this picture various types of packets: kurkure, lays, wafers, and you know that you buy these packets from the shop. Then pouch. You are seeing in this picture different kinds of pouch. You buy pouch from the shops, for example Sunsilk shampoo pouch, then Dove shampoo pouch, then you buy the pouch like Szechuan chutney, jam. These are the pouches. And then you are seeing here is wrappers. We use wrappers to wrap the gifts or to wrap the food items. Now we are going to deal with the activity live English. Now look at this activity. In this activity you are seeing the wrappers, and here is one questions. Let's see what is question here. Given above is the picture of an imaginary food item packets. Let us see how to read the matter on the packets as a vigilant consumer. Okay, now let's see, there are some given activities. Look at the wrapper and complete the sentences. The first sentence is, the name of the food item is. Can you tell me what is the name of the food item is? What is the name of the food item is? Okay, look at the wrappers. Name of the food item is oodles. Then it is made by. Look at the wrappers. It is made by. Here is given. It is made by or manufactured by. You are seeing here. It is the made by or manufacturing by. Look at here. Here is given. Manufactured by. Can you tell me? Manufactured by Moni Foods Corporations Limited, Pune. What is there given? Moni Food Corporations Limited, Pune. Okay. Next question. Let's see next question. It is a dash dash food item, veg or non-veg. What is food item? Look at the packet. How can you guess about the food item? Okay, here is, look at, there is the given green, means this is the green, and green logo tells us veg, means this food item is veg. Okay, then next sentence, look at the, what is the next sentence? the data signs indicate whether it is a veg or non-veg food items. Just we have learned the green symbol or sign indicates whether it is a veg or non-veg food items. Here is the green signs indicate it is a veg food items. Then the ingredients are, there are givens. What are the ingredients are, or which are the ingredients are in this food items? Now look at here the ingredients of food items. Here is given the ingredients of food items. Look at this ingredients of food items. Here is given the ingredients of noodles are wheat flour, vegetable oil, salt, carbonates, which are wheat flour, vegetable oil, salt, carbonates. Then next, here is given questions. What is the next questions? Let's see. The date of packing is, and the date of the expiry is, means the date of packing is and the expiry date is. Look at here in the pouch the packing date and expiry date. Can you tell me where is the packing date and expiry date? Means packing dates means here is the manufacturing date. Now look at here is given manufacturing date. Look at this manufacturing date. And what is the manufacturing date? 27/6/2017. 27th 6 means here is the month of June 2017, the packing date, and the expiry date is not given there. Expiry date is not given there, but there is the given when should be consumed. And here is, look at here, when should be consumed. It should be consumed before ... from the date of the manufacturing. Means here is given when should you consume this food item. Look at here, best before 8 months from the manufactured date. Means you should have to consume this food item best before the 8 months from the manufacturing date. Okay, now let's see the next activity. Discuss why the recipe is given on the packet. Can you tell me why the recipe is given on the packet? The recipe is given on the packet to prepare the recipe fast and simple and enjoyable way. Then there is also given about the proper additives, water, then how to manage timing, and preparing the food item in short time without confusion, so that there is given the recipe on the packets. Then next, look at here points for the discussing. Why the packet tells us to visit the website of the company. Why the packet tells us to visit the websites of the company. Here packet tells us to visit the websites of the company for complaining about the bad food products, or to inquire about the another food products of the company, or if you want to get more information about the food items in the packet, then there is the given the websites, and you should visit to the website to find out the more informations about these packets or about these food items. Then next sentence for the discussion or points for the discussion. What ideas are used to make the packets attractive? What ideas are used to make the packets attractive? Okay, look at here, the packets is well designed. Then there is the illustrations for making recipe, separate tables for ingredients, nutrition facts and recipe, beautiful attractive writing, clear instructions. Look at there, all these things are here. Look at this. What is given here? Well designed means packet is well designed. Illustrations for making recipe. You get ingredients are given there. Then illustrations of making recipes also given there. Then separate tables. This is the separate tables for the ingredients means nutrition facts are also given there. And here is given the how to make your delicious noodles means recipes. Use very attractive writing, clear instructions. Okay, these ideas are used to make the packet attractive. Then next question is there, how you will verify whether something is good for you to eat or not? How will you verify whether something is good for you to eat? So that after reading the all these informations on this packet, we come to know that especially about ingredients, nutrition fact, then taste after having the food items, from reliability or the manufacturing means popularity, then expiry dates means through all these things we will verify whether something is good for to eat or not. Understand? Now let's see the next activity. Collect the outer covering of fast foods items. Discuss the following points in groups and then write your observation in your notebook. Just before we have watched or you have seen some pictures of the packs, packets, pouch, wrappers. On this packets, pouch, wrapper, there is the given ingredients manufactured by, net weight, veg or non-veg, recipe, nutrition fact, MRP, manufacturing date, websites or other instructions. So you should collect such types of covering and discuss the points in groups. Okay, then write your observations means which ingredients use, manufactured by, name of the company, then net weight, whether it is veg or non-veg, recipe, what is the MRP price, then websites, or if there are other instructions given, you should write there. Then there is another one activity is given here, work in groups. Prepare, prepare an attractive wrappers or packets of any products of your choice. Prepare an advertisements for your products. Means you should prepare an attractive wrappers or packets. Okay, and then prepare an advertisements. At first you should prepare an attractive wrapper or packet, and then we will learn in the next sessions how to prepare an advertisements for our product. Okay, thank you very much.